2012 Winnebago Itasca Sun Star for sale in Duluth, Minnesota 55811. Spread your wings and fly with this 2012 Winnebago Itasca Sun Star. This Class A motorhome is 31 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong gasoline engine mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has 3 large slide-outs, 1 awning and can sleep comfortably 4 to 6 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, leveling system and backup camera. With only 15,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Itasca Sun Star will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2012 Winnebago Itasca Sun Star is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include solid surface countertops, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, convection oven, refrigerator / freezer, double kitchen, SinkDinette with chair, SeatingFlat screen, TelevisionDVD / CD / StereoSurround, SoundKing dome, satellite dish sofa, SleeperChairLarge bathroom and ShowerMaster, queen size BedMaster bedroom, TelevisionFull master closet / dresser, and so much more. This 2012 Winnebago Itasca Sun Star is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded motorhome is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2012 Winnebago Itasca Sun Star.